today's video, I'm gonna show you how to replace the outer tie rod on this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It is the same procedure on the Dodge Durango. Here is my part. I actually had to get it from the Napa because we couldn't get it from Jeep. It's a simple job. Let's start by lubing the nuts and bolts. We only need a few inches, and gonna use a 24mm there to loosen the gem nut on the tie rod. As you guys see here, I can actually spin it by hand, and I'm gonna use 18mm so I can try to twist on the inner tie rod to make sure it's free. And I'm gonna use a 21mm to break the bolt free on the tie rod bolt. Sometimes when you take those bolts off, they have that stud in the middle have a tendency to spin at the same time. So you might have to get a 10mm bolt, 10mm socket to hold it in place while you're trying to remove the nut. And we're gonna use our hammer here to take the tie rod out. So pay close attention to this. You're gonna have to count how many times you turn the tie rod so you can get it close to alignment. It's not gonna be perfect. You're gonna have to take it to the alignment shop either way, but you can get it close so you can drive it there if you're doing it in your driveway. Okay. In my case, I ended up spinning the tie rod 22 times, and when I was done, I got it close enough and I drove it to the alignment rack. It wasn't that far off. I can actually show you. I'll try to show you at the end of the video a picture of the alignment sheet. I got it as close as I could, and it was perfect straight down the road after the alignment. There you go. Now we're gonna get the new tie rod. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna spin it 22 times. There you have it. Let's put it in place. It's just a game of patience. We're going to put our nut in. As you guys see, I ended up using a 10mm wrench to hold the nut in place while I'm trying to tie the nut. And that's it, guys. Now we're going to use the zerk fitting, and so we can grease our tie rod. When you buy the original tie rod, you wouldn't have to do it, but a lot of aftermarket parts give you the option to grease the fitting whenever you're doing maintenance to a vehicle, which is a good thing actually. And I'm gonna grease it, and next time vehicle service, we're gonna have to grease it again so it can be in good shape. It will last a very long time. And that's it, guys. As you guys see here, everything is done. About to drive the vehicle on the alignment rack, and that's it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.